रडार में बात करते हैं सास्किन टेक्नोलॉजीज की। 2300 करोड़ रुपए से ज्यादा के मार्केट कैप वाली सास्किन टेक सेमीकंडक्टर्स, ऑटोमोटिव, कंज्यूमर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, टेलीकम्युनिकेशन सहित तमाम सेक्टर्स पे काम करती है। इनके नतीजों पर फोकस करते हैं क्योंकि तिमाही आधार पर 13% की बढ़ोतरी आय में हमने देखी है, मुनाफा 5% बढ़ा और मार्जिन में भी अच्छी खासी बढ़त दिखी है। तो कहाँ से नतीजों को इस तरह का सपोर्ट मिला है, ऑफ कोर्स आगे की कैसी योजनाएं हैं, डिमांड ट्रेंड मौजूदा कैसा है, ग्रोथ आउटलुक, इन सब पर हम विस्तार से बात करेंगे। हमारे साथ कंपनी के सीएमडी राजीव मोदी सर इस समय जुड़ चुके हैं। मिस्टर मोदी सर, गुड आफ्टरनून, बहुत स्वागत है। पहले आपके नतीजों पर फोकस कर लेते हैं क्योंकि रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ हमने देखा है बीती तिमाही में बहुत अच्छी निकल कर आई है और ऑपरेटिंग लेवल पर भी बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस आपकी कंपनी ने दिया है। तो क्या हाइलाइट्स रहे हैं सर, किन कारणों से हमने इतना अच्छा प्रदर्शन देखा है?
Good afternoon. I think thank you so much for having us on your show today. Primarily, we have created a focus in the company for growth, and we call that 60 by 4 by 3. Over there, our emphasis is on ensuring that we go after 60 of our marquee set of customers and grow them to at least $3 to $4 million in the next 2 to 3 years. So that is the clear focus and energy that is kind of driving the growth. Overall, from a segment perspective, we are seeing good growths coming in automotive, in the semiconductor segment, as well as in the consumer electronics segment. So all those three are really showing good growth trajectory, as well as we have seeded Saskin Silicon, which is also starting to show good results from a revenue earning as well as order win perspective. And Saskin Japan also, where we have created a separate entity to address the customers in Japan. That is also starting to show good results. So overall, we are quite positive about the vector of growth that we have so chosen. And of course, we'll start showing results as we progress through it. Yes, in quarter 1, we had 13% growth quarter on quarter, and we are on the path of successively seeing growth in subsequent quarters also.
ओके सर, फिर इस लिहाज से आप मार्जिन आउटलुक क्या देंगे इस वित्त वर्ष के लिए? आपका परफॉर्मेंस क्वार्टर वाइज तो बहुत अच्छा रहा है, इसी को मेंटेन करेंगे या अभी और इम्प्रूवमेंट दिखेगा मार्जिन्स में?
Margins will probably get impacted primarily because of the salary increments and all that we have given. Also, we'll be onboarding in the following quarters freshers to kind of sustain the growth momentum. Otherwise, we don't see much impact on the margins. As a matter of fact, the focus is to ensure that we improve our margins from here on and show growth on the EBIT levels from in the subsequent quarters.
ओके।
So only those two are the main reasons, which are primarily focused on growth vector. We are not seeing any impacts on the bill rates or anything. So our focus is growth, and towards that, whatever we spend may impact margins. Other than that, we're not seeing any impact on the margin.
ओके सर, रेवेन्यू फ्रंट पे देखें तो इस वित्त वर्ष के लिए FY25 के लिए की ग्रोथ एरियाज कौन से रहेंगे सर? कौन से वो 2-3 पॉकेट्स हैं जहां पर आप खास फोकस करेंगे?
I think semiconductors is one, silicon design, semiconductor, software for automotive, software for mobile devices are going to be a significant vector for growth. Also, the automotive segment as a whole is a growth vector for us. GCCs, the India design centers, the global competency centers in India are growth vectors, and all the key hyperscalers are customers of ours, and we expect to see growths with all of them. So I think overall, we are seeing growths on all fronts as far as this full year is concerned.
ओके सर, क्लाइंट स्पेंडिंग सिचुएशन कैसी है, खासतौर से आप नॉर्थ अमेरिका और दूसरे भी रीजन्स में?
So far, we are seeing that there is a momentum on spend, and we are seeing the results and the impacts because of that.
अच्छा सर, इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, आपने हाल फिलहाल में बहुत ही रिसेंटली ट्रस्टोनिक के साथ एक पार्टनरशिप की है। तो सर बताएंगे कि एग्जैक्टली ये पार्टनरशिप है क्या, व्हाट सिनर्जीज इज इट लाइकली टू ब्रिंग, इस पूरे अगर आप पार्टनरशिप के बारे में बता सकें।
This is primarily in the area of safety in automotive. I think you must have read recently about how cybersecurity is going to play out. And towards that, we are going to work towards addressing the solutions needed in the automotive vertical for us to be able to address the safety aspects in the vehicles, because software is dominant in vehicles, and if they are being cyber attacked, then you could have any impacts. And towards this, we have partnered to see how we deliver solutions inside the vehicles which are highly software dominated.
ओके सर, आपने अपनी कमेंट्री की शुरुआत में ही क्लाइंट्स पर फोकस करने की बात कही। इस क्वार्टर में आपने कितने क्लाइंट्स जोड़े हैं सर, और ये जो मार्की क्लाइंट्स है उससे आपको आपका कितना ऑर्डर आता है? व्हाट शेयर कम्स फ्रॉम हियर?
I think we are focusing on all accounts of ours, and we are systematically seeing growths in all accounts. So I think the strategy is working well. And I think towards this, we have in the quarter that has gone by added about, I think, 4 or 5 new customers. For us, frankly, historically, we have not had any challenge adding customers. And that's why a significant focus is for us to, while we grow, while we add new customers, our focus is to see also we grow the existing customers and really make them into a significant revenue vector for us.
ओके सर, करंट ऑर्डर बुक का स्टेटस क्या है सर, अगर आप बता सकें, और कहाँ कहाँ से की कंट्रीब्यूशन आता दिखाई दे रहा है?
And of course, we'll announce our results for this quarter in the month of October, so can't kind of say much about it. But primarily, we are definitely seeing order books coming in from automotive, semiconductors, the 5G area, as well as the industrial area, consumer electronics. So all the segments, all the customers, we are seeing good growth with regards to the new order books, and we'll disclose the numbers, of course, for the current quarter in October. For the quarter that has gone by, we had, I think, added 12 million new revenues as well as renewals in the quarter that ended in June. But we see good momentum, primarily also on the order book side, and we will continue to focus on ensuring that we win longer term deals with our customers in this growth trajectory, growth vector that we are going on.
अच्छा सर, करंटली जो जेन एआई में ट्रेंड एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं, उनकी ओवरऑल नंबर का स्टेटस कैसा है सर? मतलब वो नंबर कितना है जो अब रेडी है प्रोजेक्ट्स लेने के लिए फॉर दिस फाइनेंशियल ईयर?
Our business, we have already started using Gen AI platform inside the system for driving efficiencies, as well as training our people on use of Gen AI, particularly the Copilot, and in ways in which we can generate code more efficiently. So the focus is there, and we are already starting to see the results of that. We do not, frankly, we have enabled the entire organization on the use of Gen AI platform, and we have started seeing the impacts of that. We don't necessarily classify, frankly, number of people trained, because we want the entire organization to get trained irrespective on the use of Gen AI Copilot, because the efficiencies in the system will be driven through only those methods.
ओके सर, कोई और रीजन्स हैं जहां पर आप फोकस करने की सोच रहे हैं, और पर्टिकुलरली सिंस आप कह रहे हैं कि आप पूरा फोकस जेन एआई पर है, इससे जुड़े कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं जिन पर बातचीत या डील जारी है?
People are already using Gen AI in various use cases and demonstrating that to customers. So we will, of course, see results and wins around that. So I can't kind of say specifically, to be frank with you. We do see results come in, and the impact Gen AI is going to make also in the use of efficiency driving in the organization. So there is a significant focus on that also, on the use of Gen AI tools.
राइट, मिस्टर मोदी, थैंक यू सो मच सर, समय निकालकर हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए, और कंपनी की आगे की किस तरह की प्लान्स हैं, कैसा ग्रोथ आउटलुक है, सब विस्तार से दर्शकों के साथ शेयर करने के लिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।